Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook stone crab claws. First, always make sure your stone crab claws are fresh and have been kept very cold, ideally at about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need a good crab cracker and a small mallet to open them later. Take a moment to inspect each claw carefully, checking for any small bits of loose shell or other debris that might be attached. Proper cleaning is crucial for enjoying your delicious stone crab claws. Begin by rinsing all the claws under cool, flowing water to remove any loose particles from the surface. Use a clean, soft-bristled brush to gently scrub the shells, paying particular attention to any crevices or dark spots. This thorough cleaning ensures a pristine taste and prepares them perfectly for cooking, removing any ocean residue. Steaming is a fantastic method to gently reheat your pre-cooked stone crab claws without overcooking them. Add about 1 inch of water to a large pot and insert a steamer basket. Arrange the clean claws in a single layer, ensuring they are not stacked too high. Cover the pot tightly and steam them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes until they are heated through. Boiling offers a quicker way to prepare your stone crab claws, especially if you are serving a crowd. First, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a rapid, rolling boil. Carefully place the claws into the boiling water, making sure they are fully submerged. Allow them to boil for just 3 to 4 minutes. This ensures they are perfectly warmed without becoming tough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.